Well, I'm going to do a short video. I don't know why it's closed at the top or whatever. I'm not that good at these daggone things. Had a little storm come through here in Maryland today. I guess it's that one that started in who knows where, came up the coast. And just when you think you're just starting to get out of the woods with something, the woods come to you, I guess. Just kind of videoing this because I don't send pictures too well. So if I video it, I can send it to everybody. And look at the mess. This is a oak tree here. Now what's bad about it is there's two Jeeps underneath that. I'll pan slow as I can over to the sawmill area. Maybe I'll take a picture. That's the old sawmill. And there was a tree, oak, and I think it's this one right there. If the camera will get it, maybe I can zoom in on it. It snapped off. When it came down, it took the limb out of, where'd it go? That big limb there, which is the one that's over here. And then it also took out this one here. That's a white oak there. This one here is red oak. It's just a mess. I just didn't need to have this at this time of. This is the limb that broke off up there. Now it starts all the way back there, but to give you an idea, that limb, that ain't no little limb. And the tree up there that snapped off is, I don't know, it's probably 32 inches at the base. This is one of the Jeeps I got on eBay right now for sale. Have to uncover that and find out what it is. Get that limb that's stuck up there. What a mess. There's the tree came down across that. That was a Jeep, I guess, what do you call it? Had the engine, had the whole drivetrain and the wheels, just no body. Then there's another Jeep in behind that one that you can see a little bit of green right there. And then there's another truck on the other side of that. I haven't assessed the damage on that. It's not till I start getting out and find out what's going on. Anyhow, I got my work cut out for me. It took that kind of interesting, that white oak tree, how it kind of just peeled it down. It's kind of, that was a neat tree. And the reason I never cut either one of those down, they rubbed each other. And every time you came back here sawing, you could hear them things just squeaking. I'll tell you what, they rubbed together and just squeaked like heck. Now luckily, if you've seen in some of my other older movies, I had a rollback that was sitting right there next to that aluminum irrigation pipe. Lucky for me, I just sold a rollback about a month ago. The wife's got me selling everything she can, trying to make her rich, I think. I'm not sure. This is kind of a get back further look at it. Must have made some good noise. Anyhow, nothing we can do but cut up and make firewood. Actually, it's probably, well, that'll make firewood, but the piece up at the top that broke off, that would probably make a good saw log. There you can kind of see it through the woods. Anyway, that's what I got to work on now. I'm gonna put another video on that I took a couple weeks ago. I just haven't got around to doing it. Over and out. Bye.